In this video, I'll show you how to cancel your Roblox Premium subscription. If you no longer want to pay for Roblox Premium or use its benefits, you can cancel the subscription in just a few steps. First, open Roblox and sign in to your account. Next, click on the More option and then select Settings. From the Settings menu, find and open Subscriptions. Here, you'll see your active Roblox Premium subscription, along with details such as the renewal date and subscription plan. Click on your Roblox Premium subscription to view more information. Then select Cancel Renewal. A confirmation message will appear showing when your premium benefits will end. If you're sure you want to continue, click Yes, Cancel to confirm. Your subscription will remain active until the end of the current billing period, and you won't be charged again after that. And that's how you can cancel your Roblox Premium subscription. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new guide.